How to connect MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 to TradingView. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your preferred browser and then search for connect MT4 to TradingView. As you can see over here, like MetaTrader, TradingView does not give traders direct access to markets. To access assets to trade, you need a broker. It is the broker that gives traders access to platform for buying and selling foreign currencies and other assets. So, first launch your TradingView application. Then once you have this interface, simply go to charts, then tap on this three dot, tap on connect broker. Then from here, tap on then you have to search for MetaTrader over here. If you can find MetaTrader, go for it. You tap on open account. But I don't think there is an option for MetaTrader, so you can just log in with your MetaTrader account on TradingView, but trading is not available for this account. And subscribe to our channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.